Hi everyone, so in this video I'm showing you how to remove some runs in the clear coat. Fairly simple process using 1200 grit sandpaper. Wet and dry, keep it wet all the time, check it, everything else. And if you're a returning viewer, cheers, give us a thumbs up. And if you're a new viewer, consider subscribing and also give us a thumbs up. Let's crack on. Okay, you can see the runs here in the clear coat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a bit of 800 grit, wet and dry, and I'm going to really gently rub this back just here, okay, to take it down so it's all level. Remember to wet your sandpaper. I'm using a little bit of plastic trim removal tool actually, just to help me with keep it flat. Literally, I'm not applying any pressure, just little strokes over the area. Keep running your finger along it every now and then just to see if you can feel it. You'll be able to see the difference. Trick here, just take your time, there's no rush with this. And get a rag and just wipe, dry it so you can see if there's any mark, like where you need to sand more. As you can see, where it's like this, yeah, that's where it's bumped up, it's overrun, so you need to keep rubbing till it's really smooth. If there is a little bit of a lip when you do this, you can very gently just let the sandpaper take the fold of the edge. Just really gently, don't apply any pressure whatsoever, just let it take its own. Just a couple of passes normally smooths it off. Still a little bit of a lip there. I'm applying no pressure, I'm just letting the sandpaper do the work. Let's get in there. A little bit of a lip here, smoother there, but a little bit of a lip just here. That's a lot better. One final pass. better here where the mark was. Still a bit rough here, but I'm only taking out the run that was here. Get a cloth. Allow it to dry. And as you can see, that run line, you can barely see it here, so you could probably get away with leaving it like that, because this is the lip that runs to the top of the window screen. So if you're a perfectionist, go for it, but the actual run is out. So I'm going to polish that up now. Some Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Right, using the same method as before. Let me zoom back in. Meguiar's on a cloth, and I've got a straight edge, a flat edge in there, and just rub over the area you've just treated. You're not aiming to get the shine out straight away, so it could take a little while. Just keep working it.
You can actually still see a bit where the run was, just here. But once it's shiny, you shouldn't really matter too much.
So I'm not looking to be perfect, just to tidy it up, that's all. You can still see a little bit of the run here. If you was going for a really top perfection job, you could rub this out, but I don't want to risk rubbing too hard on the edge here and burning right through. So I'm not going for a perfect job by all means, but I must admit that's better. I'm just going to keep polishing now. And the idea is eventually I've put an LED light on here now. You can see the shine already. So from a distance, if you stood back from the car, you're not really going to see that unless you're looking really hard. I mean, I'm stood back now by the wing mirror. I can see it because I know where I'm looking. But I have got a job to see it. If you turn the light off, just keep rubbing at it, bring the shine out. I don't know if you can see that already. Put the light on so you can see the shine. And that's how you get a run out your paintwork. Don't look too bad. And like I say, like I keep saying, I'm not going for the perfect finish, but that'll do. I don't want to risk burning through the edge here because it's got to be really careful. The whole roof is going to get mopped over, so these fine scratches here will get removed with that. So yeah, if you like the videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and if you're new, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up also, and see you in the next one.